Alright guys, I'm going to keep this one fairly casual. We're going to jump straight into the charts. I'm going to give you my analysis for the next couple of days. We're going to look at some Forex pairs, maybe some cryptocurrency as well. So let's get into the video. So before we get going, if you can do me a massive favour, hit the subscribe button, like the video. That's going to help me out so much. For all you current subscribers, I hope you're finding the content valuable. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Pep and I'm here to make you a more confident and better trader using simple techniques and strategies. Okay, so I was just about to say I have a live trade open, but I've just taken a look quickly, and if we look here, that literally I've just taken my profit this trade. So yeah, this trade has been open for, what time did I open this? 10:35. The time is now 11:02. So yeah, this trade was open half an hour, but I'll save this trade for another video and I'll go through this trade in a bit more detail. So yes, look out for that video and I'll break that trade down in more detail than what I'm going to be doing in this video. Let's start on euro dollar. So I mean, look, just looking at the moving averages here, you know, we're extremely bullish still. We're above the 20, 50 and 200 day moving average. Now I'm on the daily time frame here and we've already broken above this high here. So we've started to break above structure levels. Again, we've taken out these highs and these highs. So for euro dollar, you know, I expect, well, over time, we'll probably retest these highs here or possibly these highs here. Trading opportunities for this pair, best thing to do is probably look for breakout trades or look for a pullback. Drop down to the 1 hour. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, so you could look at this level here. Wait for a pullback, which we're starting to see already. So here we have resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke through. Now it's acted as support. Again, we're coming back down to retest this level. So again, this could be a good opportunity to look for long positions. We'll back up to these highs here to retest them. Let's just look at a few of the other majors. So let's look at pound dollar. Again, well, overall, the dollar is weakening. So if we look here, let's just take a look at the dollar quickly. Let's jump to the daily time frame. Yeah, so the dollar at the moment is, you know, it's a dollar that's weakening at the moment. It's looking very bearish. As you can see here, price is heading down. We'll probably tag this low here. So overall, it's probably better to bet against the dollar at the moment, especially for holding trades over a couple of days now. You know, we'll see what happens when we retest this low here. But if we jump back to the majors quickly, again, pound dollar, interesting time at the moment for the pound. You know, we're either going to break this high here. So this level is, I've noted this on the weekly time frame. So if I jump to the weekly quickly, look at this. This has acted as resistance in the past. We had this big sell-off. Again, we're coming back up to retest this level. Again, it's acted as resistance here. So yeah, it's really going to be key what happens over the next few days on the pound dollar. You know, on the daily time frame, are we going to break above these highs? You know, maybe look for a pullback and see this kind of momentum, or are we going to see another sell-off here? So yeah, it's best to be patient with the pound dollar at the moment. Let's just drop down to the lower time frames. Again, this is looking very similar to euro dollar. We have this support level here. Bear with me. Resistance here. So we're kind of stuck in a range at the moment. So yeah, good opportunity to take buy and sell opportunities on the pound dollar, especially on the lower time frames. If you jump to the 15-minute, this is where you can pick up some good trades. Again, we're in the middle of nowhere, so ideally what you want to do is wait for price to head back up to this resistance zone here or this support level here, and then trade either side of the range. Now in regards to risk reward, you know, you can get a very good risk reward for these types of trade. Take a short position here. Let's just say hypothetically we make our way back up to this resistance level. Want a stop loss above these highs here. Let's just say we enter in here hypothetically. We ride it back down to the bottom end of the channel. You're looking at a 4R trade there. So again, be patient here, wait for price to head to either side of the range. If we break out of the range, then we could be looking at a directional change depending on which side we break out. Okay, dollar yen. So again, as we know, the dollar is weakening. So I know we're at a level of support here, but more than likely we'll probably see this level break through. So I expect a break to the downside here. You know, we've not really had a significant bounce to the upside. We seem to be consolidating here on the daily time frame. We had this big sell-off here. So when was this? This is from the 1st of April. We had this sell-off here. And this is just one big overall correction here. So yeah, I do expect price to break down to the downside. Let's just draw this in properly. Now, if we do break down, let's just look at our equal measured move. This matches up nicely to this resistance level here. So yeah, let me draw this in quickly. I mean, it doesn't quite touch it, but it's near enough there. So yeah, if we do break out of this flag pattern here on the daily time frame, then yeah, we could be looking at a move back down to the 106.505 level. So yeah, this could be a really good short position setup. Again, you need to be patient. If I was trading this, I'd wait for these lows here to be taken out. Now you could have picked up trades here and here, but that's all in hindsight. Not my type of trading style. I like for price to really tell me the direction it's going before I enter the trade. You know, I don't really take too many aggressive trades. So yeah, as I said, we are consolidating here. Let's jump down to the 1 hour. So yeah, another good opportunity here to pick up some range trading on the lower time frame, especially the 15-minute time frame. Again, as we make our way back up here, could be looking for sell opportunities again. Let's just look at potential risk reward. You know, ideally you want your stop above these highs here, back down to the other end of the range. Yeah, you could be looking at a 2-hour trade depending on where you get in and where you have your take profit level. Okay, next let's take a look at the Aussie Swiss franc. Now again, looking very bearish. We've broken below the 20 and 50 moving average. We've also broken these key structure levels as well. So, you know, where do I think price will head to? Well, we'll probably retest this low again here. Now, how would you get involved in this trade? So if you're swing trading on the higher time frames, what you want to do is just be patient, wait for price to pull back into this previous level of structure, and then look for sell positions. But there could be some more shorter term day trading opportunities here. So let's look at the 1 hour. Again, 1 hour is looking good for shorts at the moment. If you look here, so we came down here, tested this level, pushed back up, again, retested it again, pulled back down, retested it, and then we finally broke through. So we took out these lows here, pulled back into previous market structure. We had another sell-off. And if you look here, we've already started to pull back. Now we might be a bit late for this trade. Yeah, maybe a little bit too late for this trade. You can see here we had this big rejection wick here. We had a kind of pin bar doji. We broke and closed below the doji candle here. So again, there might be another opportunity if this pulls back up to this level here. So this is the 0.697 level. And again, you could be looking at a good risk to reward. So even if you did get this trade, let's just say we would have entered in here, stops above the last high here, target level down here. Again, this could be just above a 3.5 hour trade. But again, if you do want to get involved in Aussie Swiss franc, what you want to do, again, be patient. Just wait for price to retrace back to this level. We know it's acted as resistance in the past. look for short positions, and then yeah, you want your take profit level at these last lows here. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin as well. I know everybody's going crypto mad. Let's start on the daily time frame. So again, it's still a scary time for Bitcoin at the moment. Let's just look from the highs. We've had a 53% decline. Now, the worrying thing is we've broken and closed below the 200 moving average at the moment. So if we look here, we've broken below the 200 MA. We're coming back to retest. So is this going to dynamically act as resistance? Well, we're going to see over the next couple of days. But at the moment, we're holding this level really well. So this has been a key support level in the past. If you look here, it's acted as support here, had a big wick rejection here to the upside, support here as well. And as you can see here, we're retesting this support level again. So buyers have rejected this level again, which is great for Bitcoin. Again, we've rejected it here. Now, more than likely, we will retest this support level again. And, you know, that's going to be a real key time for Bitcoin. Or what could happen, we could break back up above the 200 moving average and start trending upwards. So at the moment, it's best to be patient with Bitcoin. If it does come back down to retest this support level, you could look at maybe day trading this to the upside to retest these highs here. For long-term trading opportunities, yeah, this could also be a good place to look for long positions to possibly ride back up to these highs here. But if we break below these lows here, then again, we could start to retest this level here, which is around the 18,000 mark. So yeah, hopefully this level holds up and we can continue the bull run of Bitcoin. So I hope this video has been useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to upload that live trade that I took this week. So yeah, I'll give you a bit of insight into that trade. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Cheers, guys.